Hello, I'm Gauri and I'm working as Sales, Design and Production Integration Manager here at Shringar Engineering. So, Shringar Engineering and Energy Systems started as manufacturers of water heating system and solar panels back in 1999. Later, we saw a booming market for construction industry. Hence, we switched on to producing concrete block punching machines. Here, we manufacture different types of concrete block punching machines, semi-automatic, automatic, stationary, and also manual machines. So we also manufacture allied equipments like pan mixers, material handling equipments, and also we customize the products as per customer requirements. Initially, we started with manufacturing of dies and machine handling equipments. We would outsource the design, but later on, when we shifted to manufacturing of heavy machineries, we understood the importance of bringing design in-house. Apart from manufacturing standard machines and equipments, we are also into customization. So hence, as per customization for the customer requirement, we would need vision control and version control, which would not be helpful if we had purchased a perpetual license. So with the 3D experience, I think it has been a lot. In 3D experience, we got customized part numbering integration, wherein it has been very helpful across all the departments of production, sales, after sales, and also integration of material management. Since the very first day, conceptual planning has been with us for the training and given us thorough training on all the features that exist in the platform, and then that stayed with us until we mastered the basics of the platform. So SolidWorks has too many features to offer us, but whatever was required for us as per our requirements, they have trained us. Thank you Conceptual Connect for the support and always been guiding us throughout through our challenges and overcoming.